5 minutes daily for 6-pack abs. Lose belly fat for a flat stomach or sculpt abs. This workout has 28 million overseas views. Great for beginners wanting a flatter belly or abs. Let's skip talk. Watch now and follow along. First exercise. Forearms. Push-up. Move one hand into a push-up position, then place it back on the ground. Repeat the movement. Alternating sides. Second exercise. Support on your right arm. Activate your elbow. And keep your body in a straight line. Rest for 15 seconds. Third exercise. Let's do the other side. Support on your left arm. Activate our elbows. And keep your body in a straight line. Fourth exercise. Try to touch your left toes with your right hand, and then try to touch your right toes with your left hand. Repeat the movement. Alternating sides. Rest for 15 seconds. Fifth exercise. Exercise. Support yourself on your elbows, palms flat. Keep your body straight line and hold this position. Great job. See you